Following on from the previous video, we were trying to determine if this series will converge or if it will diverge, and it was no use making this comparison. It was no use comparing this with this because even though this converge, this is greater or equal to, so it starts above here, so it could still converge or it could still diverge. So it's no use. So this is no use. So we got to this stage here where we should be making this comparison. We should compare this with this. So now this is a constant, take it out, so that will then give you this. Now we know this is going to converge. So looking at this, now we know that this is going to converge, but then look at this. This is bigger than this thing here. So this thing here now starts below it. So it can't diverge because this thing has to always be bigger than this thing here, from 3 onwards. So this thing here, because this thing here converge, then this being less than this has to also to converge. So therefore, this thing here will converge. Don't forget, it was this that we were trying to determine. Here you're starting at 1. Here you're starting at 3. But it makes no difference because there was a theorem that says that you can start wherever you want. You can start at 20 if you want to. It makes no difference. You're only interested in the tail end of things. So it doesn't matter where you start. So we could start at 1 or we could start at 3. The point is that this thing is going to converge. This thing here is going to converge. Well, this being less than or equal, well, less than, then it has no choice but to also to converge. So if this thing here converge, therefore this whole thing here will also converge. So this thing here will converge. Okay.